Hey everybody, different shirt, yay! Anyway, my name is Julie. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be cleaning my living room. I have got to. As everybody knows, I've been doing my bedroom. I'm going to go back to that today sometime within all this. But right now, I am going to, clean up my living room, get it presentable again, because I got people coming over Thursday. And that's what we're gonna do. And I think I've got the refrigerator repairman coming today or tomorrow, I can't remember. Anyway, so I'm gonna be right back. Okay, that's what I'm working with today. So anyway, I'm gonna set y'all up and then we're gonna get busy.
about your Rolex or your credit card. Rolex or your credit card. Still you won't quit trying to be cool, so here we go again. Here we go again. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. Trying to buy me drinks and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I
for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive. Oh.
Okay, everybody. Well, that's it for my video today. It's a quick clean. We didn't mop. We didn't dust. We didn't care because we're fixing to decorate. And when we decorate, we clean. We dust. So we're not worried about that. So I'm gonna flip y'all around and show you what we've done. And y'all have a good day.
I need you by my side.
Don't worry about that stuff there. It's going out.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Yeah. Don't know what you do.
No, it's real light. Don't worry about that. I'm doing laundry. The bucket will be moved. And she doesn't know how to do the lighter.
No, I can't get, I'm not, my hand's not strong enough, I guess.
Girl, I am crippled in my hands and I
I
did it.
know. What did I do? This isn't like mine.
Thanks for watching, friends. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.